Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nuri Awanis binti Azhar. Did you guys know about number base? A base number, also called a radix, is the number of unique digits and a symbol. A number system uses and determines the place value of each digit. There are infinitely many bases, but commonly we use binary for base 2, octal for base 8, decimal for base 10, and hexadecimal for base 16. These four are the most important in computer science and information technology. In this video, I will explain about the conversion between number base involving decimal number, focusing on decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal. Number base conversion is an important topic in computer science, including memory addressing, programming, and digital system. By the end of this video, you will understand what decimal and hexadecimal are, how to convert whole number and fractional parts, step-by-step example for each conversion. Let's go start! The decimal system uses 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each digit position represents the power of 10. The hexadecimal system uses 16 symbols. 10 in decimal represents A in hexadecimal, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. Hexadecimal is commonly used in memory address, color code, and low-level programming. So, for now, we will convert 45.375 in decimal to hexadecimal. We separate this number into two parts, which are integer part and decimal part. The integer part is 45 and the decimal part is 0.375. We will convert both numbers into hexadecimal separately. Now, let's go to step 1, convert integer part. Did you remember the number for integer part? Okay, the number is 45, so we divide to 16. 45 divided 16 is equal to 2, remainder 13. Why the remainder is 13? It is because 45 minus 16 multiplied 2. So, it is equal to 13. So, 13 in hexadecimal is D. Next, 2 divide 16. So, the answer is 0, remainder 2. So, the answer is equal to 2D. Because we read the answer from bottom to top. Now, let's continue with step 2, convert decimal part. This is the number for decimal part. So we need to multiply to
16. So, let's do with me. 5 multiply 6 is equal to 30. 7 multiply 6 is equal to 42 plus 3 equal to 45. 3 multiply 6 is 18 plus 4 equal to 22. 0 multiply 6 is equal to 0. Add 2 equal to 2. And then 5 multiply 1 equal to 5. 7 multiply 1 equal to 7. 3 multiply 1 equal to 3. 0 multiply 1 equal to 0. So, these two numbers we need to add. 0, 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 2 plus 7 equal to 10. 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6. Okay, this is the answer, 6.000. But when the original number is less than 1, the answer also must less than 1. Besides, 6 base 16 is not equal to 0.375 in base 10, but equal to 6 base 10. So we take this answer 0.6 base 16 because it is equal to 0.375 in base 10. Step 3. Combine number. We have converted the number. So 45.375 in decimal equal to the 0.6 in hexadecimal. So this is the answer.
Wow!
Now, let's convert back from hexadecimal to decimal. The integer part have 2 digits, which are 2 and D, and the decimal part have 1 digit, which are 6. Each hexadigit is multiplied by 16 to a power according to its position. On the left of the decimal point, the power is positive. On the right of the decimal point, the power is negative. Now, let's continue to step 1. Multiply each digit by 16 to a power. 2 and D must have a positive power. 6 must have a negative power. So let's calculate with me. 2 multiply 16 power 1 plus 13 multiply 16 power 0 plus 6 multiply 16 power negative 1. So, 2 multiply 16 power 1 is equal to 32 plus 13 multiply 16 power 0 equal to 13 plus 6 multiply 16 power negative 1 equal to 0.375. So we need to add this number when we add all of this number, we got the answer 45.375 in decimal. Before we end, let's look at some common mistakes. Forgetting to convert A to F to decimal values. Reading remainder in the wrong order. Using base 10 instead of base 16 powers. Stopping fractional conversion too early. The summary are: decimal is base 10, hexadecimal is base 16, use division for whole number, and use multiplication for fraction. By the way, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand decimal and hexadecimal base conversion. Don't forget to practice and see you in the next video. Bye!